can you find the area of ABC given BC is 88 and from point A, if we make AP such that angle APB is 2x, then interangle ABP it is A, B, P, angle B is 2x and angle P is 2x. That means AB and AP they will be equal and AB is 40. That means AP is also 40. We get AP is 40 and now interangle ACP it is A, C, P, this angle is x, this angle is 2x, so this angle it will be 2x minus x, that will be x. This angle is x and now these two angles are equal. That means AP and CP they will be also equal and AP is 40, so CP it will be also 40. We get CP is 40. That means BP it will be 88 minus 40, that is 48. And now from point A, if we make a perpendicular on BP, suppose this point is Q, then interangle ABP it is A, B, P, AB is equal to AP, that is 40. That means it is an isosceles triangle. So from point A, if we make a perpendicular on BP, suppose this point is Q, then it will also bisect the base. So BQ and PQ they will be BP divided by 2 and BP is 48 divided by 2, that will be 24. So BQ is 24 and PQ is 24. And now AQ squared it is AB squared minus BQ squared and AB is 40 squared minus BQ is 24 squared, and we can take 8 squared common and it is 5 squared. minus 3 squared, and it is 8 squared times 25 minus 9, and it is 8 squared times 16, and it is 8 squared times 4 squared. So we get AQ squared is 32 squared. That means AQ is 32. AQ is 32. Now area of ABC, it is 1 over 2 times base is BC and height is AQ, and it is 1 over 2 times BC is 88 and AQ is 32, and 2 times 44 is 88, and 44 times 32 is 1408. So the area is 1408.